In this video, we will program our microbit so that it will collect temperature and light data. Let's just get rid of these two blocks because we don't need them, so you can either click and drag them to the trash can or right-click and delete block. Under Input, I'm going to select the On button. A is Press block. I'm then going to go to Input again and scroll down to get the Temperature block. And just put that over to the side for a moment. Under Basic, select the Show Number block and snap that inside of the On button. A is Press block. Take your Temperature block and snap that inside of the Show Number block. So when you press button A, it will display the current temperature. It's in degrees Celsius, and you can see in our simulator we can set the temperature to whatever we want. Then when we press button A, it should tell us that particular temperature. Sometimes I also will have students add a string block, so under Basic, Show String, and then I will place a space and then the letter C to represent the units. So if we test that out again, when I press button A, it will tell me the temperature and then C for degrees Celsius. Let's now make it so it will also display the light level. So under Input, select On button. A is pressed. Change it in the pull-down menu to On button. B is pressed. This time let's grab the Show Number block first. So under Basic, Show Number. Then we'll go to Input, scroll down until you find Light Level. Select Light Level and snap that into place inside of the Show Number block. When you press button B, the light level will be displayed. You can see in our simulator we can adjust the light level to various amounts just to make sure that it's working. When you download this onto your microbit, so when you download this code onto your microbit, the numbers will be displayed when you press the button A or the button B, so for the temperature or the light level. But you have to keep in mind for light level, there are no units, it's a relative value. It could be between 0 and 255, so there are 256 different values that it could be. 0 would mean it's very dark, 255 would mean it's very bright. Keep in mind that when you are pressing button B, the light level is being determined using the LEDs on the front of the microbit. So if you cover all of the LEDs with your hand, it should be dark. If you move your hand, it should be bright. And then you can test it with different light sources.